Hi, this is Steph from Simplicity Happens, and today we're going to create ghost clip art in PowerPoint. And this tutorial is for both teachers and parents of little ones. Best yet, the ghosts only take about 5 minutes to make, so this is a very simple project. If you're enjoying my videos, please subscribe to the Simplicity Happens channel, and let's get started creating our ghosts. Hello and welcome. Let's get started creating our ghosts for the Halloween season. We're going to first go to Insert, Shapes, and select the rectangle shape. We're going to fill up the entire screen. And then I'm going to align center, and I'm going to shape fill in black with no outline. The next step is going to create the ghost. So go into Insert Shapes and select the teardrop shape. We're going to make it pretty big. And we're going to put it in white with no outline. This is going to be our ghost's head. So we're going to click on the orange circle and pull it up to give our ghosts a little definition. And then we're going to copy and paste. And we're going to turn it around. And we can group it together and turn it. And now we'll make the arms. So go ahead and copy and paste another one of the teardrops. And then copy and paste and rotate horizontally. All right, now we have our little ghost's arms. And we'll go ahead and insert shapes and make the eyes. So I am going to select the oval shape for the eyes. Gonna shape fill in white and outline in black. I'm gonna do a 2 1/4 point thickness. I'm gonna copy and paste to make the pupil, make it a little smaller, shape fill in black, outline in black. And then we'll group the eye together. And then we can copy and paste the eye to make another eye. Line it up nicely. See those 2 red dashed lines? That means it's aligned, centered, and nicely to one another. And then we'll go ahead and insert shapes, and we'll select the moon shape. We'll give our friendly little ghost a mouth. And also put that in black. Or we can try white with a black outline. All right, I think I'll keep it like that. All right, so now we can go ahead and group the ghost together. And there we have a lovely ghost. If you'd like to add a text box with boo or some cute saying, go ahead up to insert, and we'll come all the way over here and select text box. And we're just going to pull out the text box here. And I'm going to go back up to shape format, and we want to select the text. So we'll go ahead and select Textville. I like the color orange for this theme, so I'm going to select orange, and I'm going to type boo in here. And then what I'm going to do is highlight it, go back to home. We're going to come here to the font size, and I want to make it very large. So I'm going to go up to 96 points. And then I'm going to go back up to shape format, and I want to go back into text outline, and I'm going to outline it in white. And then to me, that's really cute. And if I want to change the weight on the outline, I can do that. And that's even cuter. So I'm going to put that here next to the ghost. And that's a really cute way to add some sort of text to go with your ghost. I also wanted to share some other activity ideas. So you could create both small ghosts and large ghosts and have students color in the large or small ghosts. You could also divide up the ghost and have your students or little ones follow directions by putting the ghost head onto the ghost body and the ghost arms onto the body to complete the ghost. So just some cute little ideas I wanted to pass along as well. I hope you've enjoyed making ghost clip art in PowerPoint with me today. If you've enjoyed this video, please subscribe to the Simplicity Happens channel, and I'll be back next week with another clip art tutorial. Have a great rest of your day or evening. Bye.